Welcome back to the Crypto Picture channel, where I help you see crypto through a clear lens. Today we're just going to do a quick update, try to keep it under 10 here. I wanted to take a look at Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum, and we'll take a look at Egld. Not much has changed with my altcoins that I re-entered at around the 53k mark. They're all up about 10-20% or so, and some a little higher, some a little lower, some at break even still, so nothing crazy going on there. Bitcoin weekly chart, if it closes with this nice big wick at the bottom, showing that there's still a lot of buy momentum here, a lot of buyers willing to pay for Bitcoin at these prices. Be awesome if we can continue that. Still really far away from this parabolic uptrend here, so we could see another week of consolidation, but we'll see what happens. Moving on to the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is still really indecisive here. I mean, it does look like we have more sell pressure than buy pressure based on the daily chart here. The weekly is still showing momentum to the downside. The 2-week is still showing momentum to the downside, so I'm still with the bias that we will be seeing an altcoin cycle, like a big altcoin cycle. I mean, some of the smaller altcoins have been performing really well, but I mean just an overall cycle where everything moves together in unison. So we'll have to see how that goes, but everything is really going to be depending on where Bitcoin breaks. If Bitcoin breaks this lower side and has a weekly close below, I think that will tell us our direction, and vice versa. If we have a weekly close above here, it'll tell us our direction. So we'll have to see how that plays out. One other thing on the Bitcoin Bitcoin chart, sorry, that I wanted to go over is that we are possibly in this symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangles are usually neutral but trend bias, which means if we are in an uptrend, they have a higher chance to break to the upside, and if we're in a downtrend, they have a higher chance to break to the downside. So they're a continuation triangle, and since we're in a macro and as you can see also a micro uptrend, I am leaning with the idea that we do see a break up here. We'll have to monitor that and see how it's going. I'll keep you guys posted on this symmetrical triangle. Ethereum still, caught in this range here. We could say that this is kind of looks like a cup and handle almost, right? We got the retest here, kind of forming our little handle here. The inverse head and shoulders target still has not been met, as well as the bull flag still has not been met. This is all really going to be dictated by whatever Bitcoin wants to do, to be honest. I'm still leaning towards one more parabolic advance. Even if we are close to a macro top, I would assume that we're at least going to have one more parabolic uptrend. Could be wrong there, but I'm just going to go with what history has taught us. And what history has taught us is that each time Bitcoin's put in a top, it's had a parabolic run, and these altcoins have also had parabolic runs with a blow off top. So we'll have to see what happens there. Most markets usually end as an event, not like a drawn out top like this. So usually get like one giant candle and a giant blow off. We did kind of see that with Ethereum, which got me worrying. On March 1st, I was saying that this month needs to be extremely bullish. I think that we are there. I think we have progressed as quickly as we are going to be able to progress, in my honest opinion. I would really love Ethereum especially to close above this red line, which is like the 1950 area, up to $2,000 would be my ideal close for this month, to remain extremely bullish. But we'll have to see how March goes. Egld had a nice breakout here. did come all the way back. At one point today it was up almost like 15%, I believe, or 10%, 11% almost. And we're just coming back, we're retesting these prior breakout levels, right? So we'll have to see how it goes here. I'm still optimistic on EGLD. I still think it has one of the nicest charts when charted in Bitcoin. So I'm going to continue to hold my position here, guys. And with all the altcoins that I purchased back when Bitcoin was at 53K, I redeployed my trading portfolio. I did let everybody know in the Discord group, in the premium channel, and I also have a live portfolio tracker there for all of my Patreons. So if you want to check out those links, I have the Discord link. There is also an open channel where I do post some of my ideas and stuff like that. And then we have the Patreon, which is a premium group, which gets all of my posts, everything that I do, I post in there for educational purposes. And then we also have the Market Cipher affiliate link down below if you're interested in that. And with that being said, guys, have a good one and see you on the next one.